You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce, finally, those two words that confuse a ton of people. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got tons more videos for you. The top word here has two main pronunciations: the British English, used in the UK and other English-speaking countries, library. Some skip pretty much entirely the second br syllable and say it almost as library. Okay, so library or library. Now the Americans say it more as library, library. Now the bottom word has one main pronunciation in English, so it's a lot easier: librarian, librarian, with a stress on the second syllable this time. So library or library, as the Americans say, and librarian. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.